Okay, usually what I'll say is find, this is definitely ellipse. Okay. Once you see an equation, you must pinpoint what shape it is. Because the coefficient of x squared and y squared are of the same sign but different value. It's definitely ellipse. So the center is what? 2, 3 lah. Okay. Then so if you have this is 2, 3, then this side here is actually, this is in this for square root 2. So essentially this side here is root 2. This is root 2, right? This is 1 square. So 1 is like that. Okay. So you start off like that. So usually what I'll say is you draw this like that. Then after that, quadrant to quadrant. Usually this is a perfect ellipse. So you go by one side, one side, one side. Okay. So your goal is to draw this thing. So I'm going to draw it out. Firstly, I'll draw like 2, 3. Then this guy here is root 2. Root 2 is 1.4. Right? So yeah, that. You try and draw to scale lah. So this one will be root 2. Okay. The coordinates of the sides you need to know. So root 2, this is 2 plus root 2, 3. This is actually 2, 3, 4. Then this is 2, 2, minus of 1. The y minus of 1. Then this is 2 minus root 3. Root 2, sorry. This 2. Okay, that. So this is what you do. You do this. Then once you're done with this, right, you just to draw the perfect ellipse, you draw from one quadrant to the other quadrant. Just draw it like that. Then the other one draw it down. Then this one draw it down like that. Then this draw it down. It will always be perfect. Okay. So you draw by quadrant, but of course, because my this one is perfect. So this is the ellipse that I'm looking at. Okay. Like that. Now draw already. Then once you're done, then only you put in the axis in. 2 minus root 2 is axis will be here lah. 2 root 2 here. The next part is important. Super important. How to find the range of k such that this one intersects C twice. A lot of students will think that this is discriminant. This is not discriminant. This is, what is this? This equation here? What shape is this? This is a circle. Right? This is circle because this is 1 and 1. Circle with radius what? Okay. Center 2, -3. Very good. So essentially, you're looking at 2, -3, which is, this is 2, this is 2, 2, 2, 3. Essentially, what you want is a circle below here. So this circle is here. And this circle right below here is, the center is 2, -3. And the radius here is k. So you need to imagine that this circle with a different k, it will cut the ellipse how many times? Understand? So let me just explain. So this is what's going on here. You essentially, -3 is here. With different value of k. Can you see that? Wait, just read here. Maybe I'll just narrow this down. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna, okay. So different value of k. This is the ellipse that we drew, right? Alright. So with different value of k, this, at this juncture here, it cut the ellipse once. So this k value will give you one solution. Okay. This one will give you 2 solution. This one will give you 1 solution as well. This one no solution. Understand? No solution here as well. No 2 solution, 1 solution, and no solution. Okay, so that's how you should visualize it. Understand? So what you need to do, not discriminant. If you use discriminant, confirm wrong one. The way you solve it is gonna be checked. So this guy here, what do we want? We want it to intersect twice. So it's this case, what is this k value here? Measure it down. This is 5 units, right? 5 units. From 2 to -3, 5 units. So this is 5 units. Then obviously from here to here, how many units are there? This is k equals to how many units? 4 to -3 is 7 units. Okay. So from graph, circle with center 2, -3, and radius k. Let's say range of value. Okay, this k here, can I put the modulus? Okay, usually they will say positive value of k lah. So the answer here is not entirely complete. The radius is modulus k. Is it okay? Modulus k. So because k square equals to mod k square ma, you need to consider the negative as well. So radius modulus k. Circle with center 2 as a cuts c twice when modulus k is between 7 and 5. Okay, so hence this is the answer should be this one. Okay, anyone have issue? Okay, so how do I arrive this so fast? This is how I visualize it. If you have problem with this one, you just ask. Okay, this is modulus k. So I want it to be between 5 and k. So I know that I take 5 here, 7 here, -5 here, -7 here. Okay, so this is y equals to modulus k graph. But usually what they'll say is state the range of value of k where k is positive lah. So you can just ignore this negative side. Okay, but this question they didn't say they want it to be mod k, so just be mindful of that. Okay.